Excelsior! So today we are talking about the ribbon, keyboard movement, mouse movement, scroll lock, and numbering. So without further ado, this at the top is your ribbon. This is what's replaced the menu system from Excel 2007 moving into Excel 2010. So this is what you will see now, and as you click these tabs you can see that your options change. So very similar to how the menu system may have looked at, but I'm sure most of us is very familiar with this ribbon, but in further videos this is what it will be referred to as. So today we're talking about movement as well, and as you will get experience with Excel, you will learn to use the keyboard as your primary mover, because you will learn shortcuts and hotkeys to get a lot of things done as opposed to clicking around. And this is how you would move with the mouse. You can scroll as well, as you can see, but one fancy trick here is what's called scroll lock, where if you're utilizing your keyboard and you want to keep the highlighted information there, but you want to reference a lower information somewhere else on the Excel, you will press the scroll lock button in the top right hand side of your keyboard, and as you notice the screen is moving but my highlighted section is not. And let's say that I'm off screen and I want to go right back to the highlighted section. I will hit Control B and it'll shoot me right back there, and then I'll just hit scroll lock to turn that off, and then now my highlighted section is moving as normal. And then finally, numbering. This is a graph setup, so the traditional numbering sense is here. So you have D and then 7. So let's say we wanted to reference the word ribbon, we can then hit equal and B3, and you see automatically it's highlighted. We hit enter and we get ribbon. So that is how the numbering system works. And don't worry, Excel is very vast, so it goes out super far and super down. I don't know if you would ever fill it up. Anyway, so today we went over the ribbon, keyboard movement, mouse movement, scroll lock, and numbering. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out and put them in the comments or reach out to me. Again, hope you're having a great day. Thank you.